In this video, I'll quickly show you how to copy files from your local laptop to S3 and how to download files from S3 buckets to your local machine. We're going to work with these two buckets today. And now let's look at them through command line interface. Those AWS S3 and ls for list. We see the same two buckets. It's just different ways of accessing the same buckets. Now let's see what we have in our local machine. We have a folder, local dir, and two files, local file 1, local file 2. Now let's copy our local file 1 to the remote, my very first S3 bucket. It's AWS S3 CP for copy, then the location of the local file, and then the destination. So in our case, the destination is my very first S3 bucket, and because it's an S3 bucket, we prefix it with S3://. Now the file has been uploaded. Now let's take a look at the content of this very first S3 bucket. Here you go, local file is there. Now let's prove the same thing going to the web console. We need to refresh the page. And here we go, our local file 1. Now let's do the other way around. Let's go to the very second S3 bucket, upload a file, and we'll do it through the web console, so you see it could be done both ways. So we'll upload local file 2. Just keep the defaults for now, it's just an exercise. Local file 2 is my very second S3 bucket. Now we want to download it from my very second S3 bucket to the local machine. Same thing, we're listing the very second S3 bucket, it's there. AWS S3 CP for copy, and then the remote location. And because it's a S3 bucket, we prefix it with S3://, and then the location you want to copy the remote file over to. So in our case, I'll just copy it over to the local directory, and we'll call it file from S3. Okay, done. Now let's list our directory. We have that file from S3 in our local machine. That's how you copy files from and to S3 buckets. Hope it was helpful.